stereotypical apple crunching sound. Okay, and we'll do that a few times until we run out of apple. Jake is going to record the sounds, and then we're going to do something a bit special with that sound afterwards. Okay, so the healthiest start to any workshop you'll see. Well, maybe not actually. There's all the yoga and all that. Like, isn't there? Are you ready? After three. Are you ready?
Yeah. Yes.
Confident. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'm going to talk my mouth over a little bit. Do apologise. Do you want another one?
No, let me play that one back, see what we've got.
Okay. Sounds pretty good. Okay.
See what I can do with it.